Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video because you didn't have to, but while you're here, please like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. Today's video is going to be about these short twists that I have in my head. I'm going to show you guys how I did them. First, I'm going to show you guys a video on how I did one in my head, and then I'm going to do it, like take one down and do it right here in person. Well, not in person, but on video. Y'all know what I mean. So, a little bit about this hairstyle. I originally wanted to do the passion twist with the Freatress water wave hair is what I wanted to use, but I went to my beauty supply store and they didn't have the water wave hair, so I tried a different name. What was it? A different, okay. I tried a different brand of hair of the water wave, and the ends was looking all scraggly and it wasn't curling the way I wanted, so I went on ahead and cut it off so I can get this little blunt look at the end, if you guys can see. Now, I don't mind the blunt end. I think it's really cute. I think this style is really, really cute, but I really wanted the curly ends so I can wear it like that, but it didn't work out that way, which is fine with me because I love my hairstyle. This is the hair that I end up getting. It's called, what is this? I think this Runway. Ruway. Y'all tell me what this called. It's the African brand. It's the African collection, and I got the 3-in-1 pack, which was $12.99, and I got the water wave, and it was 18 inches. I said inches. 18 inch. I can't talk. What is wrong? It was 18 inches, and this is what it looked like. The hair don't get all tangled up. But it was long, and all I did was cut it in half so that I can have 9-inch piece of hair. Now, from the looks of it, it looks like it's going to curl, right? See, it's curly right here, but it didn't curl the way that I wanted. I don't know if because of the edge control that I used or what, but I did use this edge effect. Now, this is the Magic Collection. I would not use this again, only because it holds really, really good, but it leaves a white residue in your hair. If you can see, it leaves all this white residue in your hair, and I don't like that. I usually use the 24-hour edge tamer, but they didn't have the kind that I wanted, so I figured I'd try a new one, and it didn't work out. So right now, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to play a clip on how I did the top part of my head, so you guys can get the idea on how I did it. And don't mind the camera moving, because my husband was recording for me, and he tried. So, I'm going to play that clip right now. So you guys saw that clip, and you can see that it cut off a little bit. It didn't let me go all the way down because my phone was dying. So I'm going to take a piece of hair in the front somewhere here. We're just going to do this one over. I'm going to take this one down. Come closer so you guys can see. We're going to take this one down so you guys can see exactly how I did it. And I did put rubber bands on the end of it. You guys didn't get to see that part. So this is the part we're going to braid back down. Let me just get a piece of new hair so I can show you guys exactly how I did it. Okay, so the hair was this long. I cut it. And I got 3 pieces of hair. 3 pieces. And I just pulled them apart like this. I fluffed them out a little bit so they can be full. And this is what it's going to look like. Okay, we're going to take this piece right here. You see all that white residue? Okay, I put edge tamer around the base of my of my hair. And I started off with a braid. Started off with a braid. And then I flip this around so I can get more comfortable. Sorry if my fingers are in the way. And then I started twisting. Started twisting like you're doing like a Molly twist.
Garage door.
Sorry. And twist all the way down. I'm going to twist all the way down. To the length that you want, like it's with the other ones, then you're gonna get a rubber band, put the rubber band on, and then we're going to cut where. Sorry about that noise. Then we're going to cut where the rubber band is. See? And that's how you get the blunt look. We're going to cut all the excess that you don't need off. Okay, and that's it. And you're going to just do your whole head like that. And it's not that hard at all. I use 2 of these packed like this. Only 2 of them. If you get the single packs, you probably would have to buy up to 7 of the single packs. Yeah, that's basically how I did this hairstyle. It wasn't hard at all. It wasn't much to do. It took me about 3.5 to 4 hours to do. Because I made my box pretty small, but if you make your box bigger than what I made it, it probably takes you less. If you would like a full video on how I did this style, just let me know. But until then, I hope you guys found this video helpful for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.